Who's that, Evelyn? Who are you looking at?
Me.
Who?
Uncle Ken.
Who else?
Uncle Ken.
Uncle Ken and Nanny? Yeah. Who else? Let's see. Let's
Uncle Ken.
Wait. Who's that?
Uncle Kyle.
Kyle.
Uncle Ken.
Yeah, Uncle Ken.
Nanny.
And Nanny. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, who's that right there? Wait, who's that right there?
No.
No. No, go this way. Watch. Wait. Wait.
No. Uncle Ken.
Uncle Ken.
How
about your government?
Who's that?
Uncle Ken.
And who else?
Kyle.
And who else?
Kyle.
And who else? Who's that right there? Oh, no. Oops. Whoa. Wait, hold on.